Take a deep breath in. Right now, as you hear my voice, your person is picking up their phone. They are typing a message so long, so honest, and so vulnerable that it will change your connection forever. This isn't just a meditation, it is a direct, energetic signal. In the next 5 minutes, we are collapsing time. You aren't waiting for a text, you are receiving it now. For the most powerful results, you must listen to this for 21 days straight to fully lock in this magnetic frequency. Now, before we begin, type "I received their long message now" in the comments to claim this energy and signal to the universe that you are ready. Now, let's begin. I am the only one they want to talk to. My phone is a magnet for their loving words. They are typing a long paragraph confessing to me right now. I receive their honesty with an open heart. Every notification on my phone is a gift from them. They cannot stop thinking about what they need to tell me. Distance is dissolving between us in this very moment. They feel a sudden, intense urge to reach out to me. My energy is irresistible and magnetic. They are pouring their heart out into a text for me. I am worthy of a long, thoughtful, and romantic confession. Our connection is being restored through their words. They are explaining exactly why they love me. They are apologizing for any silence in the past. I am the first and last thing on their mind today. The universe is delivering their message to me within minutes. I feel the vibration of my phone before it even happens. They are realizing they cannot live without me. My presence in their life is irreplaceable. They are hitting send with total confidence. I am secure in the love that is coming my way. Their long text is filled with truth and vulnerability. I am the master manifester of rapid communication. They are obsessed with making things right with me. My phone is blowing up with their love and attention. They are choosing me publicly and privately. Their message is even better than I imagined. I am relaxed because I know it is already done. Their confession is a turning point for our relationship. I see their name on my screen right now. They are telling me everything I've been waiting to hear. My heart is full of joy as I read their words. Communication between us is effortless and constant. They are reaching out to me with urgency and love. I claim this message. I claim this love. It is mine. Feel the relief washing over you. The waiting is over. Imagine the glow of your phone screen lighting up your face. Read the words in your mind. The apologies, the I love yous, the I miss yous. It feels so good to be chosen. It feels so good to be seen. You are no longer hoping, you are knowing. That heavy feeling in your chest has been replaced by pure, radiant joy. You have shifted your reality. And to accelerate this manifestation and bring them back even faster, visit my website, joybyjanell.com, for advanced tools and for personal guidance. Remember, your consistency is your power. Return to this meditation for 21 days to make this your permanent reality. Now go forth, be magnetic, and stay in the joy.